The Ford Mustang is more than just a car, it is an icon, a symbol of American automotive ingenuity, and a testament to the enduring allure of speed, power, and freedom. Since its debut in 1964, the Mustang has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world, becoming a cultural phenomenon that transcends generations. It is not merely a vehicle, it is a statement, a lifestyle, and a piece of history that continues to evolve with the times. Today, I want to take you on a journey through the legacy of the Ford Mustang, exploring its origins, its impact on the automotive industry, and its enduring appeal. The story of the Ford Mustang begins in the early 1960s, a time when the American automotive landscape was undergoing a significant transformation. The post-war era had given rise to a new generation of consumers, young, ambitious, and eager for something different. They wanted cars that reflected their individuality and zest for life, vehicles that were not just practical but also exciting and stylish. Ford, under the leadership of Lee Iacocca, recognized this shift in consumer preferences and set out to create a car that would cater to this burgeoning market. The result was the Ford Mustang, a car that would redefine the concept of the pony car and set a new standard for performance and design. When the Mustang was unveiled at the 1964 New York World's Fair, it was an instant sensation. Its sleek, sporty design, combined with its affordability and performance, made it an instant hit. The Mustang offered something for everyone, whether you were a speed enthusiast, a style-conscious driver, or someone looking for a practical yet fun car. It was available in a range of configurations, from the economical inline-six engine to the powerful V8, allowing buyers to customize their Mustang to suit their preferences and budget. This versatility was one of the key factors behind the Mustang's success, as it appealed to a wide audience and quickly became a bestseller. The Mustang's impact on the automotive industry cannot be overstated. It sparked a new category of vehicles known as pony cars, which were characterized by their compact size, sporty design, and affordable price. Competitors rushed to create their own versions, leading to the birth of iconic models such as the Chevrolet Camaro and the Pontiac Firebird. The Mustang's success also demonstrated the importance of understanding and catering to the needs of the market, a lesson that continues to resonate with automakers today. It showed that a car could be more than just a means of transportation, it could be an expression of identity and a source of joy. Over the years, the Mustang has undergone numerous transformations, each reflecting the changing tastes and technologies of the times. From the classic first-generation models of the 1960s to the bold and aggressive designs of the 21st century, the Mustang has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. It has embraced innovation while staying true to its roots, ensuring that it remains relevant and desirable in an ever-evolving market. The introduction of advanced features such as turbocharged engines, hybrid technology, and cutting-edge infotainment systems has kept the Mustang at the forefront of the industry, proving that it is not content to rest on its laurels. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Mustang is its ability to evoke emotion. For many, the sight of a Mustang roaring down the highway or parked at a car show is enough to stir feelings of excitement and nostalgia. It represents freedom, adventure, and the thrill of the open road. The Mustang has been featured in countless movies, television shows, and songs, further cementing its place in popular culture. From Steve McQueen's iconic chase scene in Bullitt to the high-octane action of the Fast and Furious franchise, the Mustang has become a symbol of speed, power, and rebellion. It is a car that inspires passion and loyalty, creating a community of enthusiasts who share a deep connection to the brand. The Mustang's influence extends beyond the realm of popular culture. It has also played a significant role in motorsports, showcasing its performance capabilities on the track. From drag racing to road courses, the Mustang has proven itself to be a formidable competitor, earning numerous victories and accolades over the years. Its success in motorsports has not only enhanced its reputation but also contributed to the development of new technologies and innovations that have found their way into production models. The Mustang's racing heritage is a testament to its engineering excellence and its commitment to pushing the limits of what is possible. As we look to the future, the Ford Mustang continues to evolve, embracing new challenges and opportunities. The introduction of the Mustang Mach-E, an all-electric SUV, marks a new chapter in the Mustang's storied history. While some purists may question the decision to expand the Mustang brand to include an electric vehicle, it is a bold and forward-thinking move that reflects the changing landscape of the automotive industry. The Mustang Mach-E combines the performance and style that the Mustang is known for with the sustainability and efficiency of electric power, offering a glimpse into the future of mobility. It is a reminder that the Mustang is not just a car of the past but a car of the future, one that is ready to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing world. In conclusion, the Ford Mustang is more than just a car, it is a legend. It represents the spirit of innovation, the pursuit of excellence, and the joy of driving. It has left an indelible mark on the automotive industry and popular culture, inspiring generations of car enthusiasts and setting the standard for performance and design. As we celebrate the Mustang's legacy, we also look forward to the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Whether it's the roar of a V8 engine or the quiet hum of an electric motor, the Mustang will continue to captivate and inspire, reminding us of the power of dreams and the thrill of the open road. The Ford Mustang is not just a car, it is a way of life.